Morning, sir.
Good morning. Do you have fingers and then copy and paste the messages? If you have fingers and you can copy and paste messages, that's something crazy. Just yeah, it is a very simple question, straight question.
Yes, sir. 1 second, sir. I'm joining. What is the slope of the line 0 minus r by s minus 0? That's negative r over s.
Negative.
So is it option A?
Yes, negative r over yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Listen to me.
Yes.
Yeah, my voice is repeated previously. I don't know why.
Oh, is it? Did you join in any of the?
Yeah. Okay. No. Okay. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Right. Yeah. If I join from any other device, it may take my voice from that also. Okay.
Mm,
What is the equation of the line L in the figure above?
What is the equation of
Yeah.
2, 3, and then? Oh, yes, sir. 1 second.
One direct method is,
Find the slope and put in this.
first of all, we need to find the points, intercepts, the points at which this line meets x-axis. This is 2, 0.
Sir, in that case, oh, yes, sir. Option
0,
A and D are wrong.
One direct method is to plug in these points in the 4 options. Which option satisfies these 2 equations is the correct option, right?
Yes, sir.
Another method is straightforward method is find the equation of this line. You know, equation of a line in standard form is y is equal to mx plus c.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, as you said, this is slope.
Yes, sir.
This is y-intercept.
Yes, sir.
I think that
Option B, sir.
yeah. What is y-intercept? This is called y-intercept.
Yes, sir. 3 is y-intercept.
Yeah, C. C in the place of C, it is 3. So option A ruled out, option C ruled out, option D ruled out. Maybe option B or option C. Now slope. Slope is nothing but 0 minus 3 over 2 minus 0. Minus 3 over 2. So this is the correct answer.
Yes, sir. Option B.
Yeah, it is a straightforward method. But
Yes,
the
sir.
shortcut method is to verify which option satisfies 2, 0.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if we take option A, we try to plug in 0, 2, 0. Y means 0 is equal minus 3 by 2 times x means 2 plus 2.
Yes.
2 to
Yes.
cancel, minus 3, negative 3, positive 2 is equal to negative 1. 0 is equal to negative 1 is wrong statement.
Yes, sir.
Second, option B. Verifying option B, y is equal to means 0 is equal minus 3 by 2 times 2 plus 3. 2 to cancel, negative 3, positive 3 is equal to 0. It is correct option, correct statement.
Yes.
We need not rush. We shouldn't rush. Even
Yes,
if 2, 0 satisfies that equation, it's not sufficient.
Yes, sir.
Because there is another point. There is another point. The correct answer, the correct option should satisfy this point also.
Yes.
So after verifying, after noticing the first point is satisfied, we must verify the second point also. We are verifying the second point on the same equation. 3 is equal to minus 3 by 2 times x means 0 plus 3. Minus 3 by 2 times 0 is 0 plus 3. 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. 3 is equal to 3, correct statement. So the second equation satisfies both points. That's why option B is correct. Once we confirmed that both points are satisfied in option B, we need not verify the remaining options, right?
Yes, sir.
These are the two methods, right? Okay, that's good. Have you got that book, Play with Geometry?
Oh, no, sir.
I have one spare copy. If you wish, I may send it to courier to you. Yeah, actually, I need. I have habit of gifting books to all my well-wishers whenever possible.
If I'm getting any courier from Kakinada, sir, I'll let you know so you can hand it over to my pednana or something.
Okay,
Like the
okay.
book. Yeah, so they can just send it to my grandparents so they can courier it to me.
Okay. Right.
Yes.
Once try. I think you need to get. You need to pay for it in dollars. For Amazon to get that book. How much it costs? It shows because you are very interested in graphs. That means very useful to have deep study on graphs in your career. I think as I understand from your conversation. So really, the book helps you play with that is play. Yeah, geometry. Play with geometry. There are two books. One from Arihant, one from Cengage. Nowadays in India, the Cengage publishers is the most demanding publisher for IIT aspirants. That means JEE advanced aspirants and JEE main aspirants.
Yes.
Okay, I strongly suggest that you must go through that book, study that book, and meditate on that book. It surely helps you, your studies and your interests. It cater your interests in graphs.
Yes.
Definitely, yeah. Which of the following is the graph of the equation y is equal to 2x minus 5 in the xy plane? I'm sure
we can find. So we can do it with y-intercept?
Yeah, because y-intercept is very clear there. That is minus 5.
So it's either option B, option D. Yes, sir. It's either option B or D.
Y-intercept is -5. So
It's either option B or D.
-5. Yeah, either B or D. So clearly option A and option C are ruled out.
Yes.
Next, slope. Slope
So
is,
we can take the 0.5 and -5 now, sir, for the first one.
that
If we
means for the B.
5 equals 2 times -5 minus 5.
For D, the points, okay. Here the points are not clear. I think the drawing, okay.
I think the answer is option D. It's not B, sir.
You know one thing, we must say, even if this point is not so clear,
We can take -5 and 5 now,
yes,
sir.
yes. I'm telling you one beautiful tip. See, what is the sign of tan theta in first quadrant? Have I explained you the quadrants?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is the basics of trigonometry. See, tan in quadrant system, in first quadrant, all trigonometric functions are positive. First
Yes, sir.
quadrant means 0 degrees to 90 degrees.
Yes, sir.
Second quadrant means 90 degrees to 180 degrees. Third quadrant means 180 degrees to 270 degrees. Fourth
Yes.
quadrant means 270 degrees to 360 degrees.
Yes, sir.
In first quadrant, all trigonometric functions are positive.
Yes, sir.
You know this?
Yes, sir.
In second quadrant, sin theta and cosine theta are positive. You know?
Yes, sir.
You know?
I remember. No, sir. You taught me.
Okay. Tan theta and cot theta.
And got it.
Cos theta and sec theta. This is very essential.
Yes, sir.
Right. It is very clear. If we take only tan theta is positive in first quadrant and third quadrant.
Yes, sir.
And in the very beginning, we discussed that the slope of, that means inclination of any line, must be lying between 0 degrees and 180 degrees.
Yes, sir.
Including 0 degrees, excluding 180 degrees.
Yes, sir.
That's the inclination of any line, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, in this range, two quadrants are covered. What are those two quadrants? From 0 degrees to 180 degrees? First quadrant and second quadrant.
Yes, sir.
So inclination must be either in first quadrant or second quadrant.
Yes, sir.
First quadrant means below 90. Second quadrant means above 90.
Above 90.
You know, by observation, which angle makes angle below 90 or which angle makes angle above 90. That means acute angle, obtuse angle. See, if it is x-axis, right?
Yes, sir.
This is 90 degrees angle.
Yes, sir.
This is acute angle, less than 90 degrees.
Yes, sir.
This is greater than 90 degrees, right?
Yes, sir.
By seeing its shape, we can say its inclination, of course not correctly, but it is less than 90 degrees or greater than 90 degrees.
Yes, sir.
If it leans towards right side, it is acute angle. That means less than 90 degrees.
Yes, sir.
It's bend. It's lean leftwards.
Yes, sir.
It is more than 90 degrees.
Yes, sir.
That means its inclination belongs to second quadrant.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this inclination belongs to second quadrant.
Yes.
In which tan is negative.
Yes, sir.
This inclination belongs to first quadrant, in which tan is positive.
Yes, sir.
So, by observing this equation, its slope is 2.
Yes.
Y is equal to 2x minus 5.
Yes, sir.
It is slope.
Yes, sir.
It is positive or negative? 2 is positive. Positive. So, inclination must be less than 90 degrees.
Yes, sir.
Inclination must be less than 90 degrees means it leans towards right side.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think you can see your mirror image or same image.
Oh, I can see this.
I bend my hand towards right side.
Left side.
Is it same to you? Right? Is
Yeah.
it pointing towards right side?
Yes, sir. That's how I'll see.
Yeah. Right side means positive slope. This is negative slope. Yeah, this is negative slope. This is positive slope, right?
Yes.
You know, there is a skit, there is a dance also in by school's children in YouTube. I think it's about trigonometric angles. Yeah, they played that. I find it very beautiful. They used their hands to denote angles, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, just like that. They moved their hands. Okay. See, we need to choose one from B and D. One from B, option B and option D. So in the given equation, slope is positive. In the given equation, slope is positive, right? By seeing its shape, it's bending. Whose slope is positive? Either B or D.
D, sir.
Yes, that's why clearly it is correct. Yeah, this technique, this observation is useful whenever the points are not so clear. We cannot pick this point. It is 1, 2, 3, negative 3.5 or negative 3.4, something like that, right?
Yes, sir.
It's not clear. It's also point not clear. It may be due to either editing, that means drawing error or something like that.
Yes, sir.
I think usually used one. You told me one website that to draw graph. What is that? Desco.
Desmos.
Tell again.
Desmos.
Okay. I will study. Desmo. Generally, here GeoGebra is used by teachers, school teachers. You know GeoGebra?
I don't know, sir.
Yeah, generally school teachers are used. Some schools are using GeoGebra.
No. Oh, GeoGebra. Oh, yeah, you told me.
You know.
GeoGebra. You told me, sir.
And I also recommend you one extraordinary website that and also app, Wolfram Math.
Oh, you told me.
I told you about, yeah. Both read. Right. Okay. Let M is defined by the equation y1 is equal 3x1 minus 6. And the line n defined by y is equal 3x1 minus 6 is one equation. Sorry, y1 is equal to y2 is equal to minus 5x2 plus 2 is another line. Yeah, simple. The very simple question is finding its point of intersection. How to find point of intersection? Just solve them. Just by solving, you can find their point of intersection.
So 3x minus 6 and 5x plus 2, sir?
Yeah, you must equate them because both are equal to 90 degrees. Both are equal to y1. Yeah, just find point of intersection. Or simply you can do one thing. Pick the points which satisfies.
So is it 3x minus 6 equals 5x plus 2? Negative 5x plus 2, is that how I should do it?
Yeah. Of course, imagine both are x. Yeah, I think you have a doubt. It is x1, that is x2.
Oh, no, sir. Not that. I was trying to do it in system of equations.
System of equations. Okay. See, 3x1. Yeah, you know, Euclid, very, the beginning points, points means rules defined by Euclid. Euclid is supposed to be the father of geometry. Yeah, Euclid elements is very famous, and the beginning rules of that means Euclid's book is supposed to be Bible of mathematics. In that book, in the very beginning, he told that if a thing equal to one thing, and the point says like this: if a is equal to x and a is equal to y, then x is equal to y.
Yes.
If a is equal to x, a is equal to y, then x is equal to y. This is the very beginning, and there are axioms in mathematics. There are axioms and theorems. Theorems needs to be proved to adopt them, to use them. But axioms need not be proved. The mathematical statements which don't need to be proved are called axioms.
Yes.
Yeah, one of the basic axiom is this: if A is equal to X and B is equal to Y, if A is equal to X and B is equal to Y, sorry, if A is equal to X and A is equal to Y, since these two are equal, these two must be equal. X is equal to Y.
Yes.
So we can convert these equations as the first equation is Y is equal to.
Is the answer option B?
Yes, very good. You are right. You solved it? You solved them?
Yes, sir. I put 3x minus 6 equals negative 5 plus
Yes.
2.
Negative
And then I
5x
solved
plus 2, right?
plus 2. And then I got x equals 1.
8x is equal to negative 8. Sorry, positive 8. Minus 6 will become plus 6.
Plus, yes, sir.
X is equal to
1. And then when we plug back in 1,
That's-
we get the same y.
Yes, that's good. Very good. Option B is correct.
Yes.
Yeah. So which of the following is the equation of the line that passes through the points 1, 3 and negative 2, 5?
It's not option A, it's not option B. Sir.
Yeah. You find its equation or
So I found the slope, sir.
slope. Okay. 5 negative 3. 5 minus 3. That is 2 by minus 3.
Yes, sir.
Five minus 3 whole by
So it's not option C.
minus 2 over 3. Yeah, it's not option A, it's not option B. Very good.
Not option C. Sir.
Not option C. Very good. Even not option D.
Not option D. Yes, sir. It's going to be 3x.
Yeah.
So it will be E, sir, then.
Yeah.
Do I
Yeah,
have
we need to simplify this. Yeah, you know one thing here. Yeah, what is the technique? That means what is the point used here? You know,
No, sir.
I am telling you. Yeah, as we know, if 3 points lying on the same line, slopes are same.
Yes.
In one method,
Sir, we can use the verification method for option E.
No. Yeah. I'm telling one beautiful point here. That is, if we take a straight line, there are 2 points given. One point is 1, 3. You must know this point. Another point is negative 5, 3. Sorry, negative 5, 2, 5. These points are not to scale. Yes, right. Yeah. What's the concept of equation of a line is taking one variable line, where one variable point. One variable point means power cut there.
No, sir.
I think you are using torch or lighting something. Is it light?
Oh, yes, it is like.
Okay. Right. Okay.
It's plain.
Yeah. Taking one variable point. Let that variable point be x, y. That question setter, suppose there is a point x, y on the same line. Then these 3 points are collinear. A, B, C. These are collinear points. Collinear points means slopes are same. What is the slope of AC? Y minus 3 by?
3 by x minus 1.
Right? It must be equal to the slope of BC. What is slope of BC?
5 minus C.
Y minus 5. CB.
So B minus C.
Y minus 5.
So 5 minus y, no, sir.
Of course, yeah, you have a point. But I'm telling, slope formula y1, y2 minus actual formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, right?
Yes. Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah, same is also equal to y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. Because both the numerator and denominator are multiplied by negative, right?
Negative, yes.
Now, y minus 5 by x plus 2.
Yes.
It is the equation. Yeah, whenever we want to find one point, we can take a variable point.
Sir, and also if we substitute the points that they gave, 0 equals 0 will
Yes,
be the
you are
equation.
right. You are right. That's also correct. Yeah, we can do so, but you must know this point also. Yeah,
Yes.
technique. X comma y is a variable point. X comma y is a variable point. By using any of the rules of straight line, we can find its equation, or we can verify that equation. And now 1 comma 3, we plug in. If we plug in 1 comma 3, we must get the correct statement. 1 comma 3, 3 minus 3, negative 0. Yes, 3 minus 3 by 1 minus 1.
1 minus 1.
Suddenly fine. Okay. Next, take another point.
5 minus 5 and minus 2 plus 2.
Yeah, both getting same.
Yes, 0 comma 0.
Okay. 1 point. Okay, right.
Oh, is
In the figure above, line M passes through the points P of 1 comma 0 and Q of 0 comma 2. What's the value of X? Yes, you can use the same technique which we used in the previous sum.
so is it negative? Wait, what? So is it the slope thing that we do, sir? We find the slope of Q and P, and then we equal to the slope of P and
Yes.
at the point.
You're right. Go ahead.
But I think I'm getting wrong answers.
And another method is to finding the equation by using P and Q and plugging in x comma 6 in it. And there is one point, that is when x, y intercepts are known, there is a direct formula to find the equation of a line when x intercept and y intercept are known. X by x over a plus y over b is equal to 1, right?
Yes.
Clearly, x intercept is equal to 1, y intercept is equal to 2. Okay, so x by 1 plus y by x over 1 plus y over 2 is equal to 1. Plug in this point in it, x comma 6. Plug in x comma 6. That means x is x, y is 6. X plus 3 is equal to 1. Then x is equal to negative 2.
X equals 2, sir.
Negative 2.
Oh, then I was right. Negative 2, sir. But
Yeah,
there's no option, no, sir.
Yeah, it's their mistake. It must be negative 2, right?
Oh, then I use the
But
slope equating.
yeah, see, x means this is x, the negative. X is 2, actually 2.
So the slope is on left side, so we'll get the slope as negative, no, sir. So the slope is negative 2 over 1.
Okay, just wait. Is there any mistake? X by 1 plus y by b is equal to 1. No. X plus y by 2 is equal to 1. No. The point x comma 6. Yeah, the point x comma 6. X plus 6 by 2, 3. Y x is equal to minus 2. So how it is minus 2 comma 6? It is minus 2 comma 6. Yeah, we can verify it by finding its slopes. Negative 2, 0 minus 2 by 1 minus 0 is equal to negative 2. 6 minus 0 by
X minus 1.
x is negative 2. Negative 2, negative 1. 6 by negative 3. Yeah, negative 2 correct only. Yeah, first mistake is Negative 2. Yeah, correct only. No doubt. Yes. The mistake is not locating this point here. The question setter must know the basic rule of this is x comma 6.
Yes.
That means it can be negative 2 comma 6. Locating the point is wrong. That's why they gave this diagram is not to scale.
Yes.
Yeah, it is negative 2 comma 6 because it's negative units and 6. And
Yes.
also negative 2 comma 6 belongs to second quadrant.
Yes.
Second, but it is the fourth quadrant.
Yes.
It's a mistake from their side.
Yes, sir.
Don't be confused about don't be confused about n pi plus 4 n belongs to z for all. You know this symbol?
The ulta, the
Yeah,
opposite.
volta. Yeah, volta. Volta is Hindi word or Telugu word?
Hindi.
Hindi word, volta. Volta A. Yeah, in my beginning days, that means I conducted a tuition center, very village. That means innocent students are there. It is the symbol used in 10th class board, 10th board. Yeah, when I observed that they are reading aloud that Terigation A, volta A. Yeah, its symbol is for all. It means for all. That means n plus 1 is greater than n for all n belongs to n. Here n means natural numbers or real numbers. I'm telling one thing. X plus 1 is greater than x for all x greater than 0. That means x plus 1 is greater than x. This statement is true for all x greater than 0. If we plug in any value greater than 0, this statement is true. So this is the meaning of that symbol, for all.
Yes, sir.
That for all. Yeah, you must get clarity by putting n is equal to 0. These are the higher level trigonometric option points telling this. I must teach these points, this concept also to you. First, put n is equal to 0. Then what is first option?
Can it be 0 plus 185? 45.
Yeah, just pi by 4 or 45.
Yes, sir.
Second option?
Second option is going to be 0 minus 45.
Negative pi by 4 or negative 44 degrees.
Yes, sir. Third one is going to be plus or minus 45.
Plus or minus pi by 4.
And fourth one is going to be 0.
0. Right. Now, coming to the point. The slope of the line passing through the points 2 comma sine theta and 1 comma cos theta is 0. That means find slope and equate it to 0.
Slope is
If some action is
theta minus sine theta equals 0, sir.
yes. Do it. Can you write from now on the screen? No.
I can write, sir, but I can try writing.
Yeah.
It's a cos, so it's gonna take forever. But it's okay. Cos theta.
Okay. It's not. It's difficult.
Yeah, but I can.
Yes, cos theta minus sine theta is equal to 0, right?
Yes, sir.
We need not write denominator
No.
because if some fraction is equal to 0, that means numerator is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Only the case is numerator is equal to 0. Sine theta, cos theta minus sine theta is equal to 0, right?
Yes, sir.
which yields the statement that cos theta is equal
Sin theta?
cos theta is equal to sin theta, right?
Yes.
Cos theta is equal to sin theta means for which angle cos and sin both are equal?
Cos and
There is one particular angle.
Oh, yes, sir. 45 degrees.
Yeah, 45 degrees only. Right. Why we?
Option 1.
Yeah. Why we don't opt to option 2? Because the angle must be lying between 0 and 180 degrees. Minus 45 degrees not in that interval. The angle means, yeah, got the point?
Yes.
In the beginning, I told that, in the beginning of slope, I told that inclination range is 0 to 180 degrees only.
Yes.
And what is minus 45 degrees and what is minus 45 degrees? You must know this point. This is you know, 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, this degrees, right?
Yes, sir.
This is one case.
Yes.
Zero degrees, negative 90 degrees. I told one particular point, that is, if one question, answer for one question is correct in high school section, but not correct in college section. That's
Yes, sir.
part of the concept. Yeah, direction. If the angle is measured anti-clockwise direction, it is positive. If the angle is measured clockwise direction, here the angles are in clockwise direction. That's why these are negative. Minus 180 degrees, minus 270 degrees, minus 360 degrees, right? So 0 to 90 degrees means this is minus 45 degrees. This is minus 45 degrees, right?
Yes.
But the the range of inclination is 0 to 180 degrees.
Right.
It is not in the range of inclination, which is
Yes.
not in the range of inclination. Negative 45 degrees is not in its range. That's why option 2 is not taken, right?
Yes.
And clearly, the statement gives only 45 degrees. Cos theta equals sin theta gives only 45 degrees.
So sin theta equals negative cos theta.
No, no. Cos theta equals sin theta. We got the statement only. Okay, right?
Yes, sir.
There is no scope for negative here. Cos theta equals sin theta. That's it.
Oh, yes, sir. Negative sin theta equals negative cos.
That means, for example, if we have the statement, cos square theta is equal to sin square theta, then we can say cos theta is equal to positive or negative sin theta.
Yes.
But because root 16 is equal to plus or minus 4.
Yes, sir.
In that case, we need to think about negative 45 degrees.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm telling you one thing. Can you rub it? Can you clear it?
Oh, yes.
Is it possible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Regarding slope, we need to learn this point also. That is, their exams are starting within a couple of days. Today is 29th.
No, sir.
28th. Yeah, from day of tomorrow, their exams are about to start. I think they are preparing. That's why they need not wake up at 5:30. That's why many of them, very few attended yesterday's 5:30 class. That's why I told them to conduct class any of the daytime, either at 8 a.m. or 10 a.m. or any of the time. because they need not wake up at 5:30 a.m. and their 5:30 time is very essential, golden time. They can read their exam portion. That's why next class I scheduled next class for Ritika. See,
Yes.
there is a formula. Slope of y is equal to mx plus c is m, right?
Yes.
The equation is not in that format. That means slope of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is negative a over b.
Yes, sir.
There is another formula, that is negative a over b. What is a here?
2 minus k.
It is b. Negative of 1 minus k, right?
Yes, sir.
Inclination is given,
Yes, sir.
3 pi by 4. Pi by 4 is equal to 45 degrees.
Yes, sir.
3 pi by 4 means 3 into 45, 135 degrees.
Yes.
45 degrees is 1. Tan 45 degrees is 1.
Yes.
135 degrees belongs to second quadrant. So tan 135 degrees is negative 1. So slope is negative 1. So by solving this, 2 minus k is equal to negative 1 positive k. Right?
Yes, sir.
Then 3 is equal to 2k.
3 over 2, sir. Is
K
the answer 3 over
over
2? 4.
Yeah, you can do it. It's very interesting.
The points that is parallel to y equals x, then t1 has t2. So is the answer 2?
Yeah, you tried. Yes. How did you do it?
Oh, I just did 80 square, 80 square plus 1 equals 80 square of 2.
y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, right? First of all, you must find the slope of the same line by taking the line y is equal to x.
Will that not be 0 over 0, sir?
See, it is y is equal to x. X means
Yes,
0. It is 1. It is slope.
plus 0.
Right?
Yes.
Slope is equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
From this, slope is equal to 1. Got it?
Yes, sir.
That means 2a to 2a t2 minus 2a t1 over a t2 square
T2 square
minus a t1 square is equal to
equal
1. 2a common. T2 minus T1.
minus T1
A common.
over A common.
T2 square minus T1 square is equal to 1. A cancel. Right? 2 into T2 minus T1 by A square minus B square. What's formula for that?
A minus B plus A plus B times
A minus B times A plus B, right? So T2 minus T1 times T2 plus T1.
Translation.
2 by T2 plus T1. By
Equal
cross
1.
multiplication, 2 is equal to T2 plus T1. Yeah, that's why option 4 is correct.
I did it in the wrong way, sir, but I got the correct answer.
How?
T1, I did A T square equals AT square. Oh wait, AT square.
80 square is equal to 82 square.
That equals 1, sir. So 1 plus 1 equals 2, sir.
Okay.
That's what I did. I don't think it's correct, no. Because they said y equals x, so the x points are same.
81 square is equal to 81 square is equal to 82 square. Okay. Actually, these are next higher level questions from parabola, right? Parabola questions. In JEE advanced level parabola question is like this, but we are not touching the concept of parabola. We just use the concept of slope.
Yes.
Find it right. Yeah, what is its answer?
Slope is 1 over 4, sir.
Yeah, option A.
Option is.
Slope. Yeah, I told you one formula. Negative A by B.
So is it negative 2 over 3?
Yes. But it is not in that form. It is y. It can be converted into y equal mx plus c form.
2y equals 8x plus 16.
Yeah.
So it's 4.
Yes. Go ahead.
4, sir. 4 is the slope. Oh, I remember doing this, but let me do it. 1 second. So is the answer 4 or something? I don't remember what we did last.
You can choose any 2 points.
The answer is 3, sir.
Yes.
Option 1.
It's done? No. Simply 2.
2, sir. Option 4, sir. 5 over 4. 5 over 4, sir. Option 1.
Yeah, it's not done. I will tell about this. Okay. Yeah. Till secondary class, that means Jyotsna's class starts. We may start our class at 5:45. Sorry, 4:45.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank
Yes.
you.